In this video, I'll show you the very basics of working with some simple browser commands and shortcut keys. My intention here is to make it easier for you to follow along and repeat things that I'm doing on the screen. Okay, so here on Windows 10, I'll open a new Chrome window in incognito mode. I'll right-click on the Chrome icon, which will open a pop-out menu. Now, I can click on the new incognito window command. This opens a new Chrome browser window in the incognito mode. I'll now maximize the window by pressing the maximize icon. If I press the Control key, hold it down, and press the plus key on the numpad a few times, I'll zoom into the screen. I can also control and reset the zoom by pressing the zoom icon here next to the Bookmark this tab button, right here in the address bar. Now, with the zoom level set to my liking, I can press the F11 key to make the browser full screen. Pressing the F11 key again toggles the browser's full screen view. I can open the developer tools in Chrome by pressing the F12 key. Now that I have the developer tools open, I can locate the console tab. If I'm on any other tab, such as, for example, Elements, I can quickly toggle the console tab as a drawer right here by pressing the Escape key. If I press the Escape key again, the console drawer will disappear. The console drawer is a way for me not to have to change the Active tab in the developer tools, but still get access to the console. This previous tip is one that you'll probably find useful, but I prefer to just click onto the console tab itself because it gives me a lot more vertical space to type code into. Finally, before I finish this video, let me just mention that just like you can zoom into the web page using the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl+, you can do the same thing right here inside the developer tools. To demonstrate this, I'll first click onto the console tab to make sure that the developer tools are in focus, and now I can press the Control key and the plus sign to zoom into the console as much as needed. Okay, so I'm pressing the zoom in keyboard shortcut here a few times, and now that I'm happy with the result, I can show you what to do with it in the next video.